Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Tricks app channel. Today I'll show you how to change video resolution in Filmora. If you are editing any video, and if it is in very high resolution, because the more the resolution more the size, the best and most resolution is 1080p Full HD. So, we can say that this tutorial is for reducing the resolution, for K video to 1080p. So, without wasting any time, let's start the video. After opening Filmora, drag the videos to Media section. After this, drag them to Timeline. Now after you have edited your video, click on Export. After you have clicked on this, here you can see an option for resolution, click on it. Here you can see some resolution options. If you want a custom resolution, click on Custom. Here you can adjust the resolution easily. So, these were some simple steps to follow. If you want to download Filmora, please check out the link in the description. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like videos, please share with others and don't forget to like and subscribe.